Well, here's our Cooper Hawk on the light pole. We're down by Boeing Aerospace Pond, and it's my second Cooper Hawk I've seen. It's about 5:45 now, and this one here is right on top of the light, watching trucks go by. There was some birds in the bushes down below them, and this is an adult here, got the orange marks on the chest there. And he's trying to catch something to eat. Definitely not afraid of the traffic or anything like that. Trucks are going by, cars are going by. And this Cooper is sitting right on top of the light pole, keeping an eye on the birds down in the bushes below her. She's a good sized female, looks like, judging from the size of the light. So I see plenty of them on these lights, and I can tell the males are a little smaller. So this one here is thinking about getting some breakfast. And the sun's coming up. We're right in the twilight right now, and all is well. It looks like she's molting a deck feather. She's got a little V in the middle of her tail. That usually one of the center tail feathers is missing when you see that. Okay, she's looking content over in front of me now. She's got plenty of bushes. The birds have been hopping around and feeding, and she wants to surprise one of them. Have a good little snack this morning. Oh yeah, she's really looking intent. I'm working my way towards the Boeing Aerospace Pond. We'll see what happens over there. There's a lot of ducks and other birds there too, so the coop's on the watch. We'll see what other birds are in the area. We're happy to found her. Try to come in a little bit more on here. There we are. A little close up. Eyes getting yellow. It's a young adult. Eyes aren't red yet, so there you go. Just to check it out. Look at that activity, would you? Really looking now. Look at that. Waiting for one of these starlings or sparrows to make a mistake, and she'll be right after them. Well, how cool is that? Beautiful lighting. Getting excited again. Come in maybe a little bit more here. There we go. There's some good detail there. Got the hackles up on the back. My goodness. Okay, looking across the street now, back off again. There we go. Up, getting ready. Look at that, and off she goes. All right.